Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale. It is located in Avondale Heights, Mandeville, Jamaica. This beautiful split-level home with a view of the mountains is beckoning to the ambitious prospect to make this their home. It is in good condition and can be used as an income earner with a separate 3-bedroom apartment on the lower level. The land area of this house is 0.27 acres. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.